Hey, do you want ideas to keep your schedule full and get more patients? Well, I'm going to show you one for using your internet, how to get more out of it. Stay tuned and come back in just a second. Hi, this is Dr. Ginger Bratzel from gingerbratzel.com and New Patient Attraction Automation. I'm the author of the book Secrets of Creating a Prosperous Dental Practice, and I work with dentists all over the country to get and keep more patients, increase your production, and create sustainable growth. And I love bringing these videos to you every week with these strategies of implementation so you can run with it. I'm going to give you a hands-on one that you can take and run with today. We all know the value of patients, I should say, use the value of internet services for recommendations. They look at reviews. You know, most people review things. If you're going on vacation, you do a review. If you're looking at a car, you're looking at reviews. Any major purchase, people do some kind of research. And I've talked about that, the numerous points of contact many times in videos before. So talked about it in Zero Moment of Truth. I've talked about it all through the years. So I want to talk to you a real practical strategy about getting more patients and attracting more patients by using these review systems. Now when I say review systems, most dentists get all scared because they're like, well, people put negative things out there. And people, yes, the first things to go up are negative reviews. Good reviews are slower to come up. If you have had a bad experience, you'll tell 10 people. If you have had a good experience, you might tell 2 or 3, and that's only if they ask. So we want to use the power of the positive review system to get you more patients. And one of the best used services out there, if you agree with it or disagree with it, is Angies List. Consumers are using it. And again, it's not about you, it's about them. And so we want to make it easy for them. Since they're already using this resource, how can we get you more positive reviews on Angies List so more people can see it? Well, most people don't even understand how Angies List works. But right now, as of this recording, Angies List allows you to collect reviews even if you're not signed up as a provider with Angies List. They have a subscription service. But anyone can send it in. And if you go to their website, there's actually a place where patients can download paper forms and put reviews, and then the Angies List will post them. And you don't have to be a member of it. So if you have a contest in your office and have all your team members and incentivize them to get reviews, paper reviews from the Angies List, and then all you have to do is simply mail them in, you can increase your exposure on Angies List without being a member. It's very cost effective, and a lot of people see those reviews. So you print out that form, you have a clipboard in every operatory with several of those forms on it. Whenever you have a patient in, say, hey, can you help me out? Could you spread the word? Did you have a great visit? And some patients will say, no, I don't feel comfortable doing it. That's okay, but most patients are going to participate. And you ask them to make a review. They don't have to go to Angies List. They can fill out that form right there. The only thing they really have to make sure it gets in there besides the great comments is their email address, because Angies List will send them a confirmation link that they actually submitted that. That's a very key part of the strategy. So you go through, you collect them, you make copies of them, because then you can use them in your other marketing. They're released, that you can share the information. You have that patient's review to use as testimonials in the office and in your marketing and on your website, social media, everywhere. And then you have a physical copy and you can mail it into Angies List. And then you have that power. That is a way to very quickly get a lot of reviews on Angies List without being a subscriber by just a little elbow grease, and have a little contest in your office for the team to see who could collect the most. Simple strategy, big results. Use it, okay? There's no excuses. I want you to take this one and run with it, okay? Until I talk to you next time, this is Ginger Bratzel signing off with another strategy.